Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications like processor, display, camera and battery. So let's open the box. First, you can see this black lid. Inside it, we have a SIM ejector tool. Here is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack headphone adapter. Documentation like a quick start guide which will give you information about the phone. Next we have silicone back cover which will protect your phone from any damage. Here we have Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G, comes with a punch hole display. The phone has a 64 megapixel AI triple camera setup at the back with Xiaomi branding at the bottom left. The phone looks stunning. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. Now we have a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G box.